Alicia.
I'm sure this is what happened in the audition. Yes, Amanda loved it.
Yeah.
The rest of us buzzed it. I did give you a chance. I did, but my patience ran out. I'm so sorry. I think this is worse than the audition. What happened to the recorder? I was waiting for the recorder. It never appeared, and unfortunately for you, it was the red buzzer, not the golden one tonight. I'm so sorry.
You didn't buzz. The only judge who didn't buzz.
I didn't buzz because my dog Minnie and my dog Rudy love you. And dogs all across the country will love that act. So I kept you there for the dogs in this country. Plus, I thought the choice... Have you got a second song?
I only have this song.
It's a joke. She's joking. She's joking.
Ears are bleeding. You had the old menagerie out, but they were all out of tune. And you were sticking pigs in pipes. I don't know. The RSPCA is going to have something to say about that. It was very, very silly and very painful to the ears, my darling.
Okay, thank you, Bruno. Simon, last time you buzzed and you liked it. What about this time?
I did think it was funny, really funny. I liked the first part because I could actually sort of hear the song, and then the second part, it was just a noise. It just didn't sound like. Oh, it didn't. It didn't sound like the song. At least I could sort of recognise the first part. The second part was just you squeezing things, and it didn't sound like music.
That was the first part as well.
Yeah, I like the first part. Yeah.
Alicia, the recorder was in there.
Oh, I didn't see the recorder. Oh,
Yeah.
I take back my red buzzer. Sorry.
Shall I tip out your ex?
I think the pigs were a little bit out of tune. It was the pigs' fault.
To be fair, they were. That was the problem.
It was the pigs.
Now
Pigs'
listen,
fault.
Papi, this kind of doesn't really matter because last time you got 3 red X's, you ended up in the semi-finals.
Yep.
So you could still make it to the grand final.
You know what? Everything until now, it's like a dream. And even though my dad say I cannot make it, I want to make it.
Yes, Papi.